Hey guys, welcome once again. My name's Gaurang Shah, and this is the OurHouseRadio.com page. It's actually our-house-radio.com. Here we have a page for a electronic dance music internet radio station. You'll see the main page here. Basically gives you all the information that you really need to know. This is a very social page. We've integrated a whole bunch of social integration with, including the Add This plugin, and of course Facebook comments, which aggregates comments directly from Facebook and elsewhere on the net right onto the site, which is actually a very, very useful tool when used properly. So let's take a look at the Our Hosts page that we have here. Just basically gives you a blurb about each host, allowing you to click further and take a look. If you joined us for the XavierSteele.com walkthrough, then you are familiar with Xavier Steele. Also, we have the episodes directly on here, and actually once you click on each one of the hosts, you get a blurb about each one of them expanded, gives you a little bio, and then of course the ability to preview some of their work, which is always a great thing. When you click on Our Host, it takes you to, actually under episodes, it takes you to the first episode. We have a SoundCloud link to the episode embedded right in here, which is very cool. Notice that it's actually 163 minutes, so that's like 2.5 hours or whatever it is, 3 hours, something like that. It basically goes and it gives you a lot of information that you don't have to store locally, which is great. Once again, this is built on top of a WordPress platform, so that gives you a whole bunch of functionality and social advantages, of course, and the ability to actually update the site directly, which is what they do pretty well. We also have a top 10 section here that features YouTube links, which appear directly in the browser, or the ability to play. They're embedded right in there, so that's great. That works really well. So they have their top 10, which they feature on their show every month directly on the website. Their blog section lists all of the articles that they've listed recently. We're going to take a look at this Electric Zoo article here. Basically gives you an idea of what it's capable of. It's a very, very powerful platform, very, very powerful back end that we've put into it. Integrated a whole ton of plugins and social integration, of course. And they've got, live streams from concert and everything else. So they do a pretty good job of aggregating the stuff from around the web, which is pretty cool. Got a little top button at the bottom there, and also this plus sign is actually their footer, which has, of course, their Twitter feed, some admin functions, and a general call to action, as they have a voice in the electronic dance music scene, so they actually are very active within that. And then the Contact Us page basically features a contact form, standard comments, and of course their information in regards to how to get in touch with them. And it integrated a interactive Google map here, allowing you to switch between satellite view and standard view, which is very, very cool. That's another one of the key features. So I hope you guys like. This is Our House Radio, spelled our-house-radio.com. Check them out, show them some love. Once again, my name is Gaurang Shah, and I hope you enjoy and will consider to share. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you next time.